there's been this recurring conversation about open source funding, largely talking about funding the maintainers, that people should do a better job contributing back, paying the maintainers, and that's sort of an old conversation, one that hasn't been really solved yet. But what nobody was talking about was the fact that all of the actual donated infrastructure that keeps the entire, frankly, software development for every industry, because everything is dependent on open source these days, keeping all of that moving forward, nobody's talking about it. We found that 80% of the traffic was coming from less than 1% of the IPs, for example. And this infrastructure is heavily dependent upon a small number of benefactors who are paying the bills. Meanwhile, you've got tens of thousands of other organizations that are essentially free riding, and in many of them putting significantly high load on these systems in ways that they weren't intended for.